How's it going, everyone? I want to take a minute of your time and walk you through a beautiful NQ trade we caught during live today. Let's just get right with it. I don't want to waste much of your time. I like to keep these recaps short, straight to the point. So, anyways, this blue box is a 15-minute range. So the market opened, 15-minute range was in. We had the breakout candle right here. So this candle alone did not confirm the orb for me, right? What do we notice down here? Lower volume. That is something I hate to see when we have a breakout candle, because it could easily be a false breakout, right? We didn't enter here, no long entry, pulled back. I didn't enter here either at VWAP. We finally had a decent close here, higher volume. We closed back above this previous day point of control, which is basically volume-based resistance. I ended up getting in this trade right at that previous day point of control when we pulled back here on this candle. Grizzology, my indicator, confirmed the orb retest here. So ended up getting in, had a nice move up. I didn't quite get high day where I wanted to trim right here, right? My first trim was at high day. We pushed back down. Now pay attention closely here. This is something I do sometimes to take some risk off. So we pushed up, missed my trim by a few points, pushed back down to my entry. At my entry, I cut my position in half, okay? So that way, if it did push down to my stop, I took some risk off, right? After a week like last week, I think that was a smart move. Would you agree? My stop, by the way, was the bottom of the confirmation candle or a 5-minute close below VWAP. Either or. Anyways, we finally got high day here, got a nice trim off. I trimmed again at pre-market high. At that point, I moved my stop in profits. My final price target was going to be this Asia high. We didn't quite get there before pulling back and stopping me out on the remainder of my position. A nice green trade to start the week. Hopefully this is setting the pace for the rest of the week. If you have any questions about this setup, or if you just want to come hang out and trade live with us, I go live every morning, like at 9:15 a.m. Eastern. But in the morning, I'm doing something a little special, okay? We're going to be live trading pre-market and New York together. So I'll probably start 6, 7-ish in the morning. I will post on IG. Give everyone time to, give you a little heads up. Again, appreciate you all for watching. If you have any questions, please just leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you next time.